When you've been in an accident involving an at-fault driver who's driving under the influence, there's some different things you need to know. First of all, you need to get your medical treatment because the insurance company's mantra is if you don't treat, you're not hurt. You need to follow your doctor's orders and follow up with your doctor as required. And also, you need to get your medical expenses paid. Your auto insurance will pay your medical expenses under what's called your personal injury protection coverage or PIP coverage. I call it health insurance for the car. It'll also pay for your lost income if you miss time from work. There's other benefits your auto insurance company might pay as well. And you should look into that, talk to your insurance agent or talk to an attorney. You should also get money for pain and suffering. And to do that, you need to set up a claim with the at-fault driver's insurance company. You need to be careful when you do that because whatever you say to them, they will record what you say and use it against you if they can. The nice thing about cases in which the other driver was driving while under the influence is there's a whole other area of damages that you can collect that are called punitive damages. Now, punitive damages are damages that are just designed to punish the driver. Because in our society, we don't want drivers driving intoxicated or under the influence. So we punish them, and a jury or an insurance company, if you don't file a lawsuit, has to pay those damages. Now, although there may not be insurance coverage for punitive damages, it's still worth bringing those up because insurance companies know that if a lawsuit's filed, a jury is going to award more money for your pain and suffering because the other driver was driving while under the influence. And why is that? Because juries get mad when you are injured because someone else has been driving while under the influence. It's just not acceptable for someone to drive while under the influence and then cause an accident and injure someone. Now, when I talk about a lawsuit, you need to keep in mind, most cases settle before court. And especially a case where the at-fault driver was driving while under the influence, his insurance company or her insurance company has a big incentive to settle your case outside of court.